Hi guys, I will you present system of equations. The first of system of equations is solved by using a table. Example, you have the example here. The second step is only leap along the y. You leap along the y and you will have this. The third step is only do a table. This table you will have x and the y. The x you need to give value of x. You gave the value of 0. You substitute the value of 0 and you will have this. And these are not the coordinates. These are bad now. Second, you have with 1, you substitute and now. And the number 2, when you substitute, you will have equal numbers. And when you have this, you are great because you have the equation fine. And this is the equation. When you have this equation, numbers are similar, you have the equation good. The second is solve by graphic. Ahí está. You have the equation here. It's very easy. You only need to leap along the y. When you leap along the y, you need to do a graph. And in this graph, with this date, you do a line. And with this date, you do another line. And when you have the two values, you check in the graph the intersect, and the intersect is here in -2, -3. And when you have this, you are done. The next is use the substitution method. In the substitution method, you have the equation. The second step is you need to leap along the x for the fifth equation. Only for this equation, you need to leap along the x. Only for this. Only for this. For the first. And you leap along the x. Only for the first. And when you do this, your next step is you substitute this for this x, and when you substitute this, you will have this. When you have this equation, because you substitute the x for this, you only need to leap along the y, and with this process you have to leap along the y, and the final result is y is equal to -4. The next is solve by using elimination. First, you have the equation. In the equation, you need to eliminate a date multiplied by a number. It's very easy. You only need to -3, because to eliminate those numbers, you need to multiply by -1. You multiply all of this for -1, and when you multiply, you will have -6, -5, and -3y equal to +19. And you do this. the equation and you will have minus 3x. You do this and you will have 0, and you do this and you will have 6, and you only need to leave alone the x. When you leave alone the x, you will have x equal to minus 2, and that's it. There was system of equation. Thank you.